Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, measure the wall and add 10% allowance so you won't run short. Mix 1/2 cup potato or wheat starch with 4 cups hot water until smooth. This becomes your adhesive because it is stable and reversible. Prime the wall with acrylic primer for adhesion and drying control. Once primed, cut paper into labeled strips matching your measurements, lay them in order, and keep a damp cloth and roller at hand to adjust edges. Now you apply. Brush starch onto the wall in manageable 3-foot sections so the paste stays tacky rather than soaking the paper. This controls expansion and prevents bubbles. Hang the top edge, align with a plumb line, and smooth downward with a roller to push out air. Make sure to trim excess at the ceiling for a clean junction. For seams, butt edges tightly, use a seam roller to compress fibers, and if the wall is textured, allow a tiny 1/32 finish by allowing the wallpaper to dry slowly for about 24 hours. Make sure room temperature stays between 50 and 70 degrees, and humidity is low so adhesive cures evenly. Seal exposed edges with a thin clear acrylic or paste to prevent lifting, and clean any excess immediately. If bubbles appear, slice the bubble with a fine blade, inject a little starch, and smooth. Once done, press seams firmly with the roller. This corrects most issues and keeps your homemade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.